How to download Windows 11 ISO file. Hey guys, this is Lucy and let's get started. So in a browser, type Windows 11 ISO download. So the first link that you get should be from Microsoft. Click on it. Go to the site. So here you will get three things. First one is Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Second, create Windows 11 installation media. And the third one is what we need, called download Windows 11 disk image ISO for 64 devices. So this is the one we need. Now you need to select Windows 11 Multi Edition, and after that click on download now. Now you need to select the language for this product. Just go ahead and click English International, and you need to confirm it. And now you will locate this link with this button, 64-bit download. Click on it and it will start downloading your Windows 11 ISO file. Now, as you can see, it's about 5.4 gigabytes. After it's downloaded, look up for it in downloads in your file explorer, and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.